I have this Cat 306 here with a broken front glass, the upper, and I'm gonna show you how to remove or replace the glass. I'm gonna start off by taking out these bolts on both sides where the handles are, and then these star heads on both sides as well. All right, now we need to get this seal off. It looks like they use some type of a foam or something, but I'm just going to use a razor blade and cut it on out all the way around. On the sides here, it's pretty easy. You just cut straight up under it. Once you get to the bottom of the frame, it has a lip that comes up, so you'll have to cut this way and then straight down on that inside, and I'll show you when I get it out. All right, the seal is off. As you see at the bottom, we have an L, so you need to cut the top and the bottom as well. But now that that's off, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this track and do my best to get all the excess adhesive off there. Now we've got it cleaned up, I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this urethane sealant on it all the way around, and then set the glass on top. So I've got the glass in place, clamped down, and I've cleaned up the best I can around the edges. I put a little piece of urethane over here on this metal. Once it's hard, that tells me that it's nice and dry. We're pretty much dried up, so it's time to throw it back in.